the relationships that I built with people here and the leadership that's here and the way this firm practices felt right. I did a lot of mock trial when I was in middle school and high school. I don't have any attorneys in my family, but I had a high school teacher who started a mock trial program, and I was very involved in that. And I think that planted a seed for law school very early in my career, and I followed that through. I think employment law chose me. I did not go to law school planning to do employment law. I didn't take a single employment law class while I was in law school. I did a lot of other things before I landed in employment law, including a lot of other things at this firm. And several years ago, the opportunity came to work on employment cases, and I jumped at it. I think the issues spoke to me. I think the idea of helping people protect their livelihoods spoke to me, and the issues of equity and treating employees right spoke to me. And so it's been a good thing. The people, honestly. I worked here for a long time, not knowing if this was going to be where I stayed for a long term. And I did a lot of things here. I worked on Social Security disability law. I worked on work comp cases. I helped with injury cases. I helped with a lot of firm systems. And throughout, I wasn't sure if this was where I was going to be long term, but through those jobs that I did and through the work that I did, the relationships that I built with people here and the leadership that's here and the way this firm practices felt right. And I think there's a reason I never left, and I think it was a good fit because of the people. I want them to feel like they've been heard, that I was a good listener. I also want them to feel like they've had some questions answered. Most people who come to us or who come to me have never dealt with the legal system before, and it's very scary. And one of the things that I find most gratifying about my job is helping people understand what they're going through and how they're going to be interacting with the system. And if folks can walk out of my office feeling like I heard them and they're walking away with a little bit better understanding of what's going to happen with their case, then I've done my job.